Welcome to Pico Interactive. Our headsets are built with your business in mind. In this video, we will be using the G2 4K Enterprise model to show how to clean your headset, including the lenses, and how to replace the facepad. Before we get started, a few important tips to keep your headset and lenses safe. During use or storage, please avoid coming into contact with sharp objects to avoid scratches. To avoid damaging the screen, do not expose the lenses to bright sunlight or other bright lights, as this may result in permanent damage. An important reminder: this video details general tips to keep your headset clean. If you are sharing a headset with others or are working in a sensitive environment such as healthcare, always follow local health organization guidelines for proper disinfecting and hygiene protocols, including the use of UVC-based cleaning solutions. To clean the body of the headset and the facepad, you can use a lightly damp cloth or hand wipes. Wipe the headset and facepad surfaces evenly and allow to dry. Never pour water or other liquids directly onto or let any drip over the headset when cleaning. Try to find wipes that are disinfecting, hypoallergenic, non-abrasive, and residue-free. Products containing alcohol are okay to use on all surfaces except the lenses. Products containing bleach should never be used, as this may damage your headset. Once dry, you can rub down the headset with a lint-free cloth if you like. Save the cloth that came with your headset for the lenses only. Never wipe the lenses with alcohol or other harsh or abrasive cleaning solutions, as this may lead to damage. Wipe from the center of the lens outward to carefully remove dust or smudges until the entire surface has been wiped clean. If needed, you may use a very small amount of lens cleaning solution applied to the cloth. To clean the facepad, gently clean the areas that come in contact with the skin using a disinfectant wipe. Never attempt to clean your facepad by machine washing. If you want to remove the facepad for a more thorough cleaning or to replace it, carefully pull the facepad away from the headset to remove. This allows you to wipe down the surfaces inside of the headset and facepad thoroughly. Remember to let the areas dry. To reattach the facepad, simply align it with the headset like this. Now press along the inner edges of the facepad to attach it under the small lip around the inside. Go all the way around and make sure the facepad is firmly attached to the headset. If you notice the facepad has color change, cracking of the surface, or the surface has become tacky over time, even after cleaning, these are signs it may be time to fully replace it. It is recommended to clean the straps, the headset facial interface foam or facepad, and the controller after each session, especially in multiple user situations. Your headset is nice and clean and ready for use. Thank you for choosing Pico Interactive. Our headsets are built with business in mind.